Hey Pearls, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. If you are new here, my name is Regina and I'm so happy to see you. So ladies, we're just going to get into this product review. I'm using a new deep conditioning mask that I found. It's new to me. And I just think deep conditioning is such a critical process in my wash day. I enjoy the process. I enjoy how they keep my hair healthy. Deep conditioners and masks, how they just keep my hair healthy. So when I found this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask at TJ Maxx, I grabbed it. If you're not familiar with this brand, Briogeo is on the higher end, and my tag is ripped, so I don't remember what I paid for it, but for this little 4-ounce container of deep conditioning mask, it retails for about $24. That's pretty pricey. So I love to, look for products at some of the discount stores, because for this size, 4 ounces, I don't think I'd pay full price. So a little bit more about the deep conditioning mask. It has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. And it's blended with, this writing is so tiny, rosehip, sweet almond, and argan oils with vitamin B5 and biotin to strengthen dry, damaged hair and help prevent future breakage. So all of that sounds good to me. Let me see what it smells like. This is my first time using it. Oh, it smells kind of perfumey. And I really hope, I don't wear perfume, so I really hope that the scent rinses out when I rinse the mask out. It has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. And it's blended with rosehip, sweet almond, and argan oils with vitamin B5 and biotin to strengthen dry, damaged hair and help prevent future breakage. All of that sounds good to me. That's what I want. So we'll see how it does on my hair after I rinse it out. So directions. After shampooing, massage the mask into hair from root to tip. Leave in for at least 10 minutes before rinsing, and you can use it once per week in the place of a conditioner. So what I'm thinking right now is, if this deep conditioning mask will work in as little as 10 minutes, it must be great. So let me take a look, see what it smells like. It smells very perfumey. I don't wear perfume, so I hope that when I rinse it out, I rinse the scent out too. All right, so it's creamy, very, very creamy, not too thick. So yeah, here's what it's looking like, and we're gonna go ahead and get this started because my hair is starting to dry out. Oh yeah, I have my water bottle here just in case. I knew I would probably need it. So I'm gonna do my sections all the same. Make sure my hair is still nice and damp. It's already detangled. And now I will just apply the deep conditioning mask. Okay, I think I feel my hair softening up already, and it's literally just been a few seconds. And ladies, I want to remind you, when you're using any kind of conditioner or deep conditioner or mask, if you put your hair in large sections, like I just have 4 sections, it's okay. Make sure you get the outside and down to the roots. But I also like to go in the middle and make sure I get product in that whole section. Wow. This feels so good. And I'm pretty sure I put enough on here. I don't want to use too much. Just making sure all my strands are coated. I don't know, but first impressions, this might be something pretty good right here, y'all. Do you see that? Wow. It's really bringing out my curls. All right, so I'll go ahead and finish up the rest of my sections. Yes. Yes. I took my hair back down just so you could see that the product completely soaked into my hair. That is so awesome. And when that happens, I know my hair loves it. It loves my hair, and it's just really gonna come out great, and my hair will be nice and moisturized. I don't see anything. Y'all, it melted in. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. All right, so now time for, it didn't say to use heat, so I'm not going to. I am just going to let it sit on here for 10 minutes and see how that 10 minutes works. Pearls, I'm taking my hair down. I just rinsed out the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And you know what? Y'all, I think I need to eat my words when I said I probably wouldn't pay full price for this. I probably would. My hair feels incredible. It feels so hydrated. And my hair was thirsty before I shampooed. It was very thirsty. But look at this. And I really like how it looks on my better behaving strands. I mean, there's just definition there. My hair is shiny. Oh my gosh. I really do love this this hair mask. 10 minutes turned into 20, but that's okay too, because it said keep it on your hair for at least 10 minutes. And I did not use heat. Y'all, this is pretty good. I'm so glad that I tried it. So I wanted to mention, if I didn't, that this product did have some slip to it, which I liked. As I was applying it on my hair, I really liked the way that it was going on. And you see, it just soaked right up. It melted like I had nothing on my hair. You couldn't see a thing. That's the sign for me. That is the biggest sign that that this product is for my hair. So if you see it on somebody's shelf, you might want to get it. And even better, if you can catch a sale from Briogeo or wherever it's sold. But yeah, ladies, this Briogeo Don't Despair repair is the truth. It has earned a spot on my shelf. Deep conditioners and masks are not all created equal. I've had one or two that I've paid a good bit of money for, and they kind of disappointed me. So what's even better is if you can find a drugstore deep conditioner or a more inexpensive deep conditioner that works for you. Grab it, stick to it. You don't have to get the latest and the greatest and the most expensive. That's not always the case. Get what you like. Get what you like. And in this case, I just happened to look up and find this very last 4-ounce product of this deep conditioning mask. I am sold, and I'm already going to be sad when I run out of it. So I'm going to keep my eyes out for a backup. Ladies, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed my honest review of this product. And I know this is pretty popular, and I'm glad I finally got a chance to try it. Let me know what you thought about it or what you think about it if you've used this. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.